Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Kentucky sales tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Kentucky sales tax login and hit the enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link secure2.kentucky.gov. Click on that link. It might take a while to loading, wait for it. Now you will be taken to the official website of Kentucky. Now at the right side of your screen you can see the login form. Just over here you need to enter your username. Similarly enter your password over here. Click on stay logged in for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on login button, then you will be able to access your account. In case if you forgot your username, just click on request username. Similarly, if you forgot your password, just click on reset password. Then you will be easily recover your password. In case if you don't have any account of Kentucky, just click on sign up button, then you will be easily create a new account. This much for today guys. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.